How to create a free ChatGPT account and design your first flyer. So the first thing you go to do is to go to your browser. It may be Chrome, Safari, Edge, whatever you use. And just like you can able to see my screen, you type, okay, let's go ahead and type HTTPS colon and then chatgpt.com. You type that in your browser. Because I already have an account, it's showing that. But if you want to start a new one, you put your email address. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, whatever you have. You put your new email, you follow the steps, and then you are able to create your free account. Okay, good. Now, when you finish creating your account, make sure you create a great password, put in your name, verify your phone number for security, and then you have your ChatGPT opened for you. Okay. Now, in this situation, let's say you want to create your first flyer. Okay. You want to create your first flyer. What you're going to do is that you type the prompt, right? Now, this is the first thing you want to do. Maybe you want to practice creating a flyer for an event. Maybe it's an event coming up, your birthday, or maybe a church activity, whatever you want to create, or your job, your business activity. But let's say in this situation, we want to create our first flyer via ChatGPT. So what do we type? We type create an image for the coinboutique.com having its store grand opening on January 31st, right? Whatever it is, maybe 2020 by 10 a.m. By 10 a.m. at 123, you put your address there, anywhere, street, let's say it's in Baltimore, Maryland, and let's put the code 454321. That is the code of our store, right? Now we want to add more thing to it. So I'm going to press the Alt while I press on Enter, and then it gives me an extra space. And then I said add a beautiful black lady with coily hair standing in a clothing boutique. Whatever you want to put, I just decide to add that. Then I add more lines by pressing down Alt and pressing Enter to give me additional space. And here I said at the bottom of the image, add 20% off every store item. Okay, let's put that there. We want that to be what is going to be on our flyer, right? Create an image for the queenboutique.com having its store grand opening on January 31st, 2020 by 10 a.m. Okay, at 123 Anywhere Street, Baltimore, Maryland. Right, we put the date, the address. I had a beautiful black lady with coily hair standing in a clothing boutique. At the bottom of the image, add 20% off every store item. Okay, now this is a sample first flyer. Let's press. So this black up arrow is going to do what? It's going to help us push it up. It's going to generate. All you have to do, just click that, and then you give it some time to think, right? Let's give it some time to think, and let's see what image this is going to give us. So create a second variation, more glam, whatever. So to generate this image, you will need to log into ChatGPT with image generation enabled. Once logged in, you can use the prompt I created to produce your grand opening promotional image exactly as described. Okay, good, good, good. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to try and log in. Okay, give me just a moment while I log in. Okay, so let me put this here. What I copied from the other side, right? What I copied from the other side, let me just put it here. And then I'll push the generate button. And then this will generate our image for us. Okay, just give me a moment. Let's go. So let's see what it's going to give us. Just type the prompt exactly how you want it, and then you have your image generated. It's still thinking. So we're going to give it some few minutes. Oh my goodness, look at that. The queenboutique.com grand opening. Opening January 31st, 2020, 120. That's the address. 20% off every store item. Whatever you feel you want to design, here it is right before you. And how do you download? There's a download button here. There's a share button here. And then the good thing is that there's a copy button here. So when you just copy this item, you can post it anywhere you want to post it. And this gives you the exact flyer. You can tweak it anywhere. If you don't want this image, you want to add your own image, you see the plus sign here, click on the plus sign, and then an image is added. That's it. You're done creating your first flyer after setting up your ChatGPT account. Uh, Look forward to the next video where we do more of this.